Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2017 Pete 389 glider kit to show you. It's got 12.7 Detroit, 10-speed. It's got 390 on the clock with about 48,000 on a complete overhaul, Detroit parts. I've gotten it hot this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, interior, exterior, everything that you'd want to see if you're standing here. Let's get rolling. It's got a new head. Just normal, moderate blow-by from a Detroit. No oil leaks. Everything's clean up front. Body and paint's really clean on this one. Grill surround. Everything's in good shape. Frame rail's clean as well, came out of the south. R 24.5 slider. All aluminum wheels. Excellent brakes as well. Really a whole lot not to complain about on this one. Clean pre-emission daycab. Platinum interior. Dash is in real good shape. Nobody punched a bunch of holes in it, so that's a good sign. So then there's your original miles and hours. And your low side oil pressure is really good. And it's super responsive. Pops on up there, oil pressure wise as well. So, all right, guys. Well, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions, you can always hit me up at 901-896-4526 or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.